bags. I got a lot of leftover sourdough bread. If you haven't seen the video, go check it out. It's before this one, how to make your own sourdough. Anyways, I'm gonna show you how to do a really delicious bread pudding with all this leftover bread. First, for this bread, we're gonna go ahead and start the custard. And I'm thinking banana because a lot of people are either making sourdough bread or banana bread. So I might as well make a banana custard sourdough bread pudding. Alright, I'm gonna measure for y'all back home. So let's do 1.5 cups of whole milk. Try to get the bananas that are a little brown here. Those are sweeter. Throw in a whole banana, 1 egg yolk, and 1 whole egg. Pinch of salt, some of this Mexican hot chocolate from Spiceology, about 2 tablespoons, and a touch of vanilla. And you just want to blend that until it's smooth. Oh, I forgot the sugar. About 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Alright, this is our base, this is our custard. Alright, I'm gonna call it good and say this is probably enough for bread. I went ahead and just cut up all the leftover bread into little cubes like this, and now I'm gonna mix it together with the custard. Once you've got into a big size bowl like this, go ahead and add in your custard that you've made. Now we're just gonna squeeze this into the custard. Yes, I washed my hands. So just give it a squeeze. You wanna kind of tear it up into there. So once we've got a mixture, it looks pretty much like this right here. So get yourself any kind of dish. I got this cast iron one that I oiled nicely. Okay, that's in the oven. I just went ahead and put it in the container that I lightly greased, and I went ahead and packed it into each corner so it could be nicely shaped. Now you want to set your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. And I also thought it'd be kind of fun to put more slices of banana on the top as a nice little garnish. And of course I dusted it with some more of that Mexican hot chocolate mix. All right, in the last like 5 minutes or so, I like to turn on the broiler and get some nice color. There we go. That looks like pretty damn good sourdough banana bread pudding. Sourdough banana bread pudding, looks delicious. I prefer mine to be cold, so I'll probably just chill this whole thing and then slice it and eat it then. Maybe with some cinnamon dolce whipped cream, that might be pretty delicious. Or just go ahead and eat it like this, warm, fresh out of the oven. Either way, go ahead and make some of this. Go ahead and check out the sourdough video if you haven't as well. Like the video, really helps me out, and I'll see you in the next one.